In this short clip, I am going to show you how to optimize your prompt for better story or content output. First, go to DocSpot AI's free prompt optimizer. Next, copy your story title and paste it into the prompt optimizer text box. Then, check the box that says, I understand that generated prompts may be published publicly. Now, click the Generate Prompt button. Once the prompt is generated, just copy it and paste it into Claude AI, ChatGPT, or Gemini to have your story created. That's it. Now let us scroll down to see the refined prompt. As I said earlier, you can copy the refined prompt to your preferred AI to generate your story. To use this free AI prompt optimizer, use the link in the description.